Walmart's dark mode setting isn't always controlled inside the app itself, which is why many users can't find a simple toggle even though their phone already supports it. By the end, you'll know how to enable dark mode for the Walmart app, how it actually works on iPhone and Android, and what to do if the app stays bright even after changing settings. Here's the setup. The Walmart app follows your device's system theme instead of using a fully independent dark mode switch. That means if your phone is set to dark mode, Walmart usually switches automatically. Start with iPhone. Open Settings, then go to Display and Brightness. Select Dark Mode. Once that's enabled, open the Walmart app, and it should match your system theme automatically. Now on Android. Open Settings, then go to Display. Turn on Dark Theme. After that, reopen the Walmart app so it refreshes its appearance settings. If the app doesn't change right away, don't assume it's broken. First fix is to fully close the Walmart app and reopen it. This forces the app to reload your system theme instead of keeping the old display mode cached. Second fix is restarting your phone. Some theme changes don't apply across apps until the system refreshes background settings. Now here's something most people miss. Not every part of the Walmart app is fully dark mode optimized. Some pages, especially product listings or checkout screens, may still show light backgrounds even when dark mode is enabled on your device. That's normal behavior and not a bug. If you want the most consistent dark experience, keep your system theme enabled instead of looking for an in-app toggle that doesn't exist in all versions. The key idea is simple. Walmart doesn't fully control its own dark mode setting. It relies on your phone's system theme, which means your device settings are the main switch. To sum it up, dark mode works through your phone settings. The app updates automatically after you change the theme, and restarting the app or phone fixes most display issues. Next step is simple. Go into your device settings right now and switch to dark mode, then reopen the Walmart app to confirm the change. If you want more simple Walmart app tips explained clearly, subscribe for quick guides that help you fix issues without wasting time.